If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. We start by importing tkinter for our graphical user interface. Tkinter is a standard Python interface to the TK Graphical User Interface Toolkit. Next, we import the datetime module to work with dates and times. We also need the time module to handle time-related tasks. The WinSound module is used for playing sound in Windows. It provides access to the basic sound playing machinery. Here we define the set_alarm function, which takes the alarm time as an argument. We use a while loop to continuously check the current time. Get the current time and format it as hour, minute, second. Check if the current time matches the alarm time. If it does, play the alarm sound. Replace sound.wave with the path to your alarm sound. After playing the sound, break out of the loop. We create the main window for our application using tkinter. Set the title of the window to alarm clock. Add a label to instruct the user on how to enter the time. Pack the label into the window. Create an entry widget for the user to input the alarm time. Pack the entry widget into the window. Add a button that will call the set_alarm function with the entered time. Pack the button into the window. Start the main loop of the application, waiting for user interaction.